This 2027 Foretravel Realm Presidential Series LVB with spa is a Class A RV. It is located in Casselberry, Florida, 32707 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Orlando. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Foretravel is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 120 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2027 Foretravel Realm Presidential Series LVB with spa is built on a Spartan K4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.